Here we go for another ruck. It's Easter, April 12th. Looks like a little overcast, but it's not supposed to rain. We'll see what happens. Back through here is the, I guess, power line route. It connects Old Farm to Fifi. So you can walk through here. It's pretty quiet and peaceful. I mean, granted, there's these wires, but other than that, you see a lot of deer back here, especially in the fall. Right now, it just looks like it's a good place to bring your bike. It's kind of bumpy. Good place to practice, I guess. No deer right now. I guess they're hiding or something. Just building up their masses to attack us in the fall, because geez, it gets bad out here in the fall. Sometimes on these walks you gotta make room for other people walking. So we're doing these quarantine rucks. Basically put 20 pounds in the backpack and just walk through the neighborhood. It's harder to get to the gym now. Well, impossible, but luckily they gave us weights to take home, so we can borrow that. So we can do these walks as well. Sometimes we have little challenges, sometimes not. I can't remember if there's one for this one or not, but this hill's challenging enough. It's a long walk. Well, it feels like it is anyway.